Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you a website to pay you Tron and instantly in your faucet pay. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a freeway earning websites available around the world, and you can also claim all every day, okay, instantly in your faucet pay. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, okay. This is the website. This website pay you Tron every 5 minutes. This much claim a Tron Satoshi and pay you instantly in your faucet pay. You can choose your capture, recapture or soft media capture. You can choose it. Go to your faucet pay, go to deposit, copy your Tron wallet orders. This is your Tron wallet orders. Copy it and come here, paste it, okay, and just solve the capture, okay. Just click I'm not robot, solving this capture, okay. This one is a car, just click the cars, okay. You can change the capture, soft media capture. The soft media capture is a little bit easier, okay. Just paste your wallet orders and just solve it, and just solve this capture. Is a 5, a 3, a 2 and 10, okay. Just click reward, okay, get reward. Okay, I solve again because this will be reloading. Sometimes this will be reload because of the internet connection, okay. Some internet connection is little bit slowly. My internet is today little bit slowly, about that this will be reload again. Just I click again, get reward, and you can see I receive my Satoshi, and I go to my faucet pay, and you can see, yeah, I receive my withdrawal from this website, and this website pay you 100% free and instantly in your faucet pay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Bye bye for now.